for my birthday, we're making cupcakes. Becca and Clara's show.
Oh.
We're making cupcakes today.
All right, so you're gonna put liners in the cupcakes first?
I don't even know what that is. These.
Yep, right there.
These are.
All right, Clara, do you want to put your cake mix in?
And that. I don't even know it. Whoa! Look at those rainbow things in there.
Yeah, rainbow chip. Get all,
Rainbow
get that.
chip.
That's what it's called. Yeah.
Chocolate chips. Do you know what this
Get it all in,
like?
Clara? Okay.
Kind of like in a part of the sentence.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's put in the rest of the ingredients. You have eggs, oil, and water. So, Clara, hey, Becca, do you want to put in your egg first?
I don't know what to put it in here.
Yeah.
Don't get the cotton now.
Yeah, put it on the bag that the cake mix came in after the shell.
What's happening to this?
Becca, make sure you're not spilling that egg on the counter.
Get the yolk out.
Okay, it's okay, honey. Just pour it over the bowl. Just pour the whole thing over.
Like if it gets in, I'll just take it out.
Yeah.
Ew. I have to wash my hands.
Yeah.
My beautiful, clean hands. Oops. Yeah, that's what it's about. It's pretty fun.
Okay, put that on the honey, Clara. Okay.
I'm just being an idea. Put that in there and dump this in.
Yeah, good idea, Becca.
Okay, then. Now we're gonna put this in. Claire, let's put it in together. Wow. Whoa. It's like mixing with the eggs.
Cool. Here, let me
look.
look.
It's like a potion.
Oh, yeah. Pretty cool.
They didn't see how it looked like.
Oh, I did a close up. Okay, now.
We could just like show them how good you can.
Oh, okay. Put the water in. Can you put the water in? You guys gonna do it together? Okay. There
Wow,
we
it
go.
looks so amazing.
Doesn't it? Let's see what it looks like.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Amazing.
cool. Okay. So now I'll
It
mix
looks
it
like
up.
an island of amazingness.
It does look really
That's
cool.
the water.
Yeah.
That's the island.
Okay. Okay, so it's all mixed up. So girls, I'll give you guys a thing to lick the batter, and then we'll get the cookies in, or the cake batter in the cupcakes, and we will put them in the oven.
It's all wet. Oops. I can see that. They look like swingles, but they're tiny chocolate chips.
Yeah, it's called rainbow chip.
Yeah. It doesn't say the chocolate part like in the sentence.
Yeah.
That wasn't a part of the sentence where they were making a spell.
Oh.
This is my first cupcake. Because this can smell good. Wow, I'm already on the 2. Almost 3. Wow, you're way slower than me.
It's okay. You can go at whatever pace you want.
Well,
How about I check in? We'll check in when you guys are all done. How does that sound?
Wait, yeah, but like all of them are the same. Is there anything else we can use?
We can do one and you guys can try it. We can do a video of you guys trying it. Okay, so say goodbye. We'll see you soon.
Bye. We'll see you soon. Hi. Oh, cupcakes are good.
Your cupcakes are done.
I'm gonna try them
They look
now.
delicious.
I'm gonna do this one with a little.
All right, well, they're trying one with a pink wrapper.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
This because like I didn't want to make a mess. That kind of looks like Jello. See?
Yeah. They're reusable cupcake liners. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Because you're not made out of
Paper.
Like I'm gonna just like the frosting.
All right, would you guys like your cupcakes?
Yeah. No.
Okay. Why don't you say goodbye to your viewers?
Bye. I'm just swinging on the Bowie. Bye, Samantha.